Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. In this video, we are going to discuss medical negligence case which occurred in Jammu&Kashmir, Ladakh. Before proceeding with the judgment, please remember in the law of torts, I told you the famous judgment, that is Jacob Machu versus State of Punjab, 2005. You have to remember this judgment. And whenever the topic of medical negligence comes, don't forget the very famous case of Indian Medical Association versus VP Shanta and others. Right? Now, with this introduction, let us come to our present case. Justice Wasim Siddiq Nargal of Jammu&Kashmir, Ladakh High Court, in the case of Pooja Sharma and others versus State of Jammu&Kashmir and others in OWP 214/2015 on 26th December 2022, held that medical negligence can be gauged by the field experts only in critical cases. It's not that easy to say that there is medical negligence. There are certain apparent visible medical negligence cases, like if the doctor forgets to remove forgets and places the scissors in the womb of the patient, and if it is seen in the video or x-ray, yes, it is 100% visible medical negligence. But the treatment, when the treatment is given and the person dies, it is very difficult to state whether the proper administration of drugs was given or not, whether the surgery was conducted properly or not, whether all the protocols have been observed or not. All these things can be decided by the field experts only. This is what is stated in the case of State of Jacob Machu case. Right. Now, coming to the facts of this case, the person on whom the medical negligence, the deceased person, he is Mr. Kumar, husband of Pooja Sharma. So he was diagnosed with a stone in the gallbladder. He wanted to get it removed. So he was operated. He was admitted in the government hospital Sarwal on 9/1/2013 for the surgery of the removal of the stone in the gallbladder. Right? So he joined on 9/1/2013. On 10/1/2013, the surgery was conducted. Of course, the doctors say that it is a successful operation. But what happened is the allegation. So the consultant surgeon removed the CBD, that is common bile duct, which was not required. Right? Okay. They said the so-called operation was done. The kidney stones were gallbladder stones removed. He can go. He was discharged on the next day, that is on 11/1/2013. But please remember, he was getting the same pain. When there is a stone in the gallbladder, definitely they will get pain. Even though he was operated, it was not successful. On 19/1/2013, that is almost 9 days after the operation, he was referred to Medical College Hospital, Jammu. He was referred to Medical College Hospital. There he was admitted in the emergency. No doubt, the local doctors, it is also government hospital. There they conducted different tests. Ultimately, Dr. Sanjay Gupta treated him. Of course, he said there is no problem. There is some CBD, but it will not be harmful to you. And he was discharged on 22/1/2013. After 3 days, he was discharged. But still, he did not recover from the pain. Right? But anyway, when he says that still he is getting pain, Dr. Sanjay Gupta, he referred him to the private hospital of Dr. Anil Singh at Pathankot. Here, remember, this is a private hospital, but they did not go there. Once again, he was admitted in a government hospital in Gandhinagar on 23/1/2013. So since they did not think it proper to go to the government private hospital, they admitted themselves in the so-called Gandhi Hospital, Gandhi Nagar Government Hospital. He was there from 23/1/2013 to 11/2/2013, almost you can say some 20 days or so. And later, so he was discharged. Discharge certificate was also given. But after going home, on 14/2/2013, he croaked his last. Jai Kumar died. Now, the allegation, Pooja Sharma and others said that due to the cutting of the common bile ducts, CBD, unnecessarily by the consultant surgeon, all these complications have come. Even though they tried their best, he could not survive. That means there is medical negligence on the part of the consultant surgeon, consultant government hospital. So they wanted to file a case. But here remember, it is a government hospital. You cannot file a consumer case. So you have to go for only civil case. But they may be influential persons. So they have gone to the police station and they reported the matter. In the first instance, the police did not reach the case. So they have filed a private complaint. Basing on that, an FIR number 60/2017 under section 304A IPC was registered in Bakshi Nagar, PA. Ultimately, the case was registered. So, therefore, finally, they wanted compensation of 20 lakhs for the death of the patient. So, the matter came to the High Court of Andhra Pradesh, High Court of Jammu and Kashmir. Here, the court noted that to decide the medical negligence, the government has established an inquiry committee by 3 doctors who are all senior doctors and who are experts in the particular field of gallbladder operation. But the inquiry committee report stated that the standard operating procedure was conducted and therefore no negligence on the part of the medical officers who treated the patient. Finish. Even though the allegation that the consultant surgeon have unnecessarily cut the CVD, but the medical report, the inquiry report clearly stated that there was no negligence on the part of the concerned medical officers. So therefore, basing on the inquiry report, the FIR stands quashed. No compensation is awarded. So this is the importance of the case. So for example, please remember, whenever any medical negligence has to be decided, therefore, in the case of Jacob Matthew versus state of Punjab, you may be knowing, Jacob Matthew, actually that Sharma, they have admitted their cancer patient father in the hospital and they used to take care of him one by one, but on that fateful day, when the father was actually literally he was not able to take breath, then they alerted the doctor, but Jacob Matthew was attending to some other patient. By the time he came, the so-called oxygen connection was not there. They have brought the cylinder from the other thing, but they did not know how to fix it up. Ultimately, when the treatment started, the person died. So Jacob Matthew took all the positive measures. No negligence can be attributed to him. Whether there is negligence or not, it can be attributed only after inquiry. Therefore, in that case, Honorable Supreme Court of India gave directions that the police should not mechanically register cases on the case of medical negligence. They should take the opinion from a senior doctor, from the senior surgeon of the government hospital in the same field, and if there is a negligence, then only you have to proceed. So this is another such case. Pooja Sharma case is another such case where medical evidence, medical negligence can be gauged by the field experts only, not by the ordinary people. So in the beginning I told you, you can see the medical negligence if the doctor forgets the scissors in the womb, but not here. There. So standard protocol, standard operating procedure has been followed. So with this I am concluding. Please read the case law and enrich your legal knowledge, particularly the students of the law of torts. Thank you.